I said was, kung papasok yung kay Attorney De Jesus, papasok ang Makabayan Block impeachment, papasok yung amin impeachment, it will be good. And we can consolidate the impeachment complaints in the Justice Committee hearing. Nung pinara kami at hindi pinapasok yung Makabayan Block at hindi pumasok yung aming complaint, alam ko na moro-moro ang gagawin. Kasi dalawa ang consideration sa Committee on Justice. There is form and there is substance. So pwedeng pumasok siya sa form as motherhood statement saying all this, all that, but without substance, without evidence, without proof to show yung assertion mo, then it will also be dismissed by the Committee on Justice. So very, very critical sa akin yung action na ginawa ng Secretary General's Office. And I'm saying now, because of that action, in totality, hindi lang ang Speaker of the House, kundi ang Presidente mismo involved sa pag-block ng impeachment complaint na ito. Ayaw nilang pakinggan at ayaw nilang sagutin yung hinaing ng taong bayan. Lahat tayo dito, involved sa graft and corruption, lahat galit. Anong sabi ngayon ng survey? 68% want the impeachment complaint. Lahat gustong malaman ano ba ang ginawa ninyo. Sino ba ang accountable dito? Why did you block us all of a sudden? For a ministerial procedure. Pumunta ka ngayon kahit anong opisina dyan sa City Hall, katapat natin. Magbigay ka ng sulat, i-receive ng mga opisina ng konsihal. Pumunta ka sa Mayor's Office, i-receive ng Mayor's Office. Dito, binabaan kami. Attorney Salonga, Executive Director. Sabi ko, can you receive? I cannot. Can anyone receive? Kahit ministerial yung taon yung nasa harapan, they cannot. It is not only that they are not authorized, but they are rejecting our submission. Walang gustong tumanggap. So I'm saying now, that is a scam. The De Jesus impeachment complaint is a scam. It does not only involve the Secretary General's office, it involves the leadership of the House and the President himself. Thank you.
Yes, I want to add, the proper term in law is implicate. It implicates the highest official of the land, the Speaker of the House, the Secretary General, and their cohorts or co-conspirators. This is the first time that this happened. Nung Bautista impeachment, hindi kami blinak. Inaccept ang aming impeachment complaint. Walang sekdyan noon. Ang deputy ang nag-accept ng aming impeachment. Kaya may president sa House. Kaya ang ginawa nila sa amin ay paglakastangan sa konstitusyon at yun ang magiging mitya ng kanilang additional na pananagutan. I would like to congratulate our people for siding with us. That 68% na accent ng tao sa survey ng Tangere ay indication na gusto ng karamihan ng Pilipino ng katotohanan. Gusto nila malaman ang katotohanan. Please don't block, Mr. President, the impeachment proceedings para ma-clear ho kayo. Otherwise, magiging mancha po yan sa inyong administrasyon at baka mapasagot kayo sa ibang paraan. Thank you.
Okay po. First of all, again, we would like to thank everyone sa kanila pong pagdalo dito. As we promised, we will discuss per article the charges that we have against President Bongbong Marcos. So sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat, and of course we will update you on the action that we will take. Kung ano pong gagawin namin dahil hindi tinanggap yung aming impeachment case. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
June
siya. Tatalian